In this video, we will talk about how to assign roles, manage, and access levels on your Formaloo app. When you add your team members to your workspace, they will have the same plan as yours. For example, if you're on the Pro plan, your team members will also be upgraded to Pro. But they will not have access to any form or folder on your workspace unless you share those forms and folders with them. To share and manage folders and forms, follow these steps. Right-click on the form or folder and select the Access Management option. Now you can add your team members and manage the access that you want to set for them. Each Formaloo and folder is only accessible on its hosting workspace. So your team should switch to your workspace to access the Formaloos and folders shared with them on that workspace. To edit roles, add login and sign up to your custom app. To do so, go to the app settings page and enable the portal mode. This creates a users page above your menu items. Now create and customize the users table in your portal. So go to the users page and click the new table. If you have already created your user tables before, they will be visible here, and you can choose them instead of creating a new one. Now to edit the users table, you can edit its Formaloo from your Formaloo dashboard, or go to the users page of your app and click the Edit Form button above the table. Switch to Table of Users on your portal, and you can do so by clicking on Change Users Table. To add new roles to your portal's users table, click on the Roles field and add your custom roles and save your changes. And to restrict access to your app's pages, edit your app in your dashboard to restrict access to your app's pages. And here from the left menu, click on the page that you want to restrict access to. Select the settings icon from the top right side of the open page, and there you can change the visibility of the page. And you're done!